Do you want to eat, Misha? Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go eat. Come on. Let's go eat. Come on. Come on. Misha's eating a raw diet now for 2 weeks, doing great on it. Never was happy to eat before, but she sure is now. Gee, I don't even know if I'm going to have to wash that bowl. Huh, Misha? Was that good? Was that good? Yum.